So here is the remote. And you can see these buttons are really flat. They're not raised up where you can easily find them. So up, down, power. This is the menu. This is the oscillate. There's a timer, there's a noise thing, all good stuff. Then here, there are no buttons. It is like a touch screen. So this, if you touch it, it lights up. So you change it to like the energy, nighttime. I'm not sure what the A is. And then you got gale force wind. You heard the drop right there? No sound. Now, if we go to the no sound, as you can see, it doesn't beep when I push the buttons anymore. But I like the gale force wind. Oscillate, turn off, turn on. Now, I will stand in front of it and show you just how far it goes. See, all the way. Now, this obviously works, you know. Turn it up, back up to 5 where I like it. You can turn the thing on and off. It works. This fan is the best thing that I've ever gotten. And the cord's pretty long too.
It's very quiet, even oscillating, and you can turn the beeping noise off like this.
I love almost everything about this new fan. Very, very quiet. This is on low. Oh, that's my kid's Triceratops. Okay, that's 2. Still pretty quiet. 4 and 5 are a little bit loud, but they're doable. That's 4 and 5. Great airflow. Just 5's a little too loud for me. 4 I can take sometimes. So my only problem is this top doesn't light up, and it definitely is very hard to see at night if you don't have the remote, and the remote doesn't light up either, and the remotes are small. So let me grab a remote. Here's the remote. But they are handy if you can find them. Anyway, I give it 4 out of 5 because of the lighting of the fan and the remote. So maybe spend a little bit more and get the voice activated one. But this was a great deal at, I think, $69 on sale.
So I just unpacked the 40-inch oscillating 90-degree Dreo fan. I have the 42-inch. This one is smaller, but it's far more powerful than the other one. Got the remote. It has 4 speeds. And then You can set timer or what setting you want the airflow to be on. It has a night setting. I don't know what the other one is. You can make the button presses silent and then the off button. Yeah, so I really like this one. I'm probably gonna go get myself another one because this one's far more powerful than my other one. So I hope this helps people.
So right here we've got this Dreo 90-degree oscillating fan. Now let me tell you, this is one of the best purchases I've ever made. My apartment is hot as hell, and I can tell you right now, it is so cold, it's ice cold. It's colder than a cold glass of lemonade on a warm summer day. Let me tell you, best purchase of my life, would do it again. It's got 5 different options. We got these 3 squiggly lines, the fan, power, timer, and I don't know what that is, looks like a smiley face. It comes with a great remote. As you can see, in my apartment it's 67 degrees, and oh boy, I love when it's 67, so I love this fan. You should buy it today. And here comes my cat Fred, he likes it too. Oh, maybe he just likes the letterbox. All right, but anyway, go ahead and buy this fan. It'll change your life. Also change your apartment if it's hot as hell, just like mine. Oh, would you look at that, 68. Come on, Fred, what the hell? All right, that's my review.
This is the fan sound. Okay, and then it also comes with a nice controller as well. Rotation, different speeds. How many speeds were there? Do you remember? 5 speeds.
Josie, do you like the new fan? Yeah? Does it blow nice? Yeah. Safe for you. Can't get your fingers in it. Nice digital display. Good breeze.
Hi everyone, so I got my fan. I've been using this for almost few months and I absolutely love it. It came with the remote as well and it's working properly. This is how it looks like at the back.
So the airflow stops about right here, because this part is where like the motor and stuff is. This part is where the airflow comes from.